Beautiful Lies is here. Listen, welcome, Beautiful Lies. Happy Saturday. I just joined in several minutes behind. How were you able to play music though through StreamYard? It's just by sharing. Well, let me go ahead and show you. Let me go ahead and show you. Let me go ahead and show you because that's what we do here. We show people what we're doing. All right. So, Beautiful Lies. A quick way to share audio will be to click on the share button, share screen. Make sure that you select the share system audio. Then you share your screen and then add to the stream. Alright, so let's go ahead and find our music. I have some music in a folder here. And when you click on the file, the audio will play, and it's also being played on your screen. Just turn the volume down there. And then of course you can have that played in the background if you want to have your video up, or you're talking with another person, you have the music played in the background. That's one choice. I'm going to put a pause on that one. If you wanted to share something that's on YouTube, it's the same thing because you're still sharing the screen. Just find some royalty-free music or whatever music you're planning to play, and once you play it, the audio will still come through on your stream. So you can either display it or not display it. It still will play in the background. Just make sure that you check the levels so that it's not too loud. It's not drowning out your voice. So you could have some background music playing while you're working or you're doing your show. Okay?